If you find yourself in a conflict with a professor, you should generally try to work through it with them first. Doing so can demonstrate a lot of maturity and help build your confidence so long as you approach the problem in a thoughtful manner. Begin by taking some time to clearly identify what the problem is and making sure your concerns are not addressed in the syllabus. Is it an issue related to teaching methods, communication, grading, or something else? If you cannot articulate the concern, then your professor won't be able to understand what they can do to alleviate it. If you need to work through an issue with your professor, don't ambush them in front of other students. Doing so can put both of you in an awkward position. Instead, ask them if you can schedule time to privately meet and discuss your concerns. And try to set up this meeting when a problem first arises so it doesn't get worse over time. When it's time to meet, make sure you approach the conversation with a calm and respectful attitude. Use I statements to express your feelings and experiences rather than you statements. Accusations and confrontational language are unlikely to resolve the issue in a constructive way. If you think you'll forget the points you want to make, go ahead and write down specific thoughts with relevant examples. And if you think you have a potential solution to resolve the conflict, feel free to offer it as a possibility if the opportunity presents itself. But be sure to give your professor a chance to respond to your points and listen carefully to their perspective. If you are still dissatisfied after meeting with your professor, or if the issue is one you feel uncomfortable addressing, you can speak with your advisor to get their impartial perspective on the situation. And if the issue is particularly egregious or is a repetitive concern, you should bring the issue to the chair or associate chair of the department. When bringing an issue to the advisor or to the department leadership, you should try to provide as much specific information about the timeline of the issue or about communication with the professor as possible. Our faculty and staff want you to feel comfortable in your classes, and we want you to succeed scholastically. So if you have a problem, don't hold it all inside. Let somebody know.